Guys, Apple has officially cancelled the idea of using taptic buttons instead of normal buttons. So this means we are getting normal buttons as second. Pardon me. We are getting normal buttons again this year instead of having the taptic buttons we were going to have originally. Apple have confirmed this. They have cancelled the taptic buttons we were going to have. I don't know about the multi-purpose mute switch, but we will find out in September of this year. Isn't that cool that Apple have actually wanting to Isn't that cool that Apple have actually... It's quite nice that Apple have actually cancelled the plans to use haptic buttons, because these actually move, these buttons. This one and this one and this one and this one. But instead of that one, that could be a button, a physical button. So your iPhone this year should have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, instead of 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. That was the iPhone waltz. Yes, an iPhone waltz. Don't waltz your iPhone, because if you drop it, then it's your loss. Okay? And, yeah, iPhone 15 Pro Max, or Ultra, as they're calling it. I don't know. I do not know. But I will do more news updates if I hear any more news. And yeah, peace out.